This video is sponsored by Professional Photographers of America.
I know I'm not the only one. I know I'm not the only one. I've been losing all kinds of memories.
Hey guys, Irene here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have another behind the scenes video with one of my favorite models, Lesha. Today's theme was heavily inspired by lilacs. A lot of the lilac bushes are blooming right now and they are a perfect setting for a photo shoot. Lesha has shorter hair right now, so I got some cheap hair extensions from Amazon, curled them, and they looked so amazing on her. And for her dress, we went with this light purple dress that I just thrifted not long ago, and I layered a lacy shirt on top of the dress to add some interesting detail. I also got some lilacs from my mom's garden for Lesha to hold as a bouquet. Our first location was just on the street where I saw a nice lilac bush, but the best thing about this location was the beautiful backlight and the path filled with greenery behind the model. It was giving amazing depth to the image, especially when shooting wide open.
How about let's do the leg here, but let's do the other leg, the one that's, yes, yeah. Oh my, actually you doing that is like gorgeous, and look at me while you do that.
But is it actually worth it? I know I'm not the only one. I know I'm not the only one. And I know that I tried, but I can't find questions to find the answer.
If you guys are interested in learning how I added my portraits, I just uploaded a new updated Photoshop tutorial, so check it out. I will leave a link to it in the description.
Yeah, this spot is much better. The light is like more subtle and not as crazy, but I still have really beautiful rim light all around her hair. Oh yeah, that's gorgeous, Lesha, yeah. Yeah, so pick like one, see there's this one, if you just take like a step back, yeah, then you can like do the sniffing of the flowers. I know, it's a perfect height. Oh my god, that is such a beautiful shot. Wait, I need to like focus here. Wow. Oh my god, I love it. Yes, I love that. Yeah, look at me like that. Yeah. One sec. Yes. Yes. Wow. Oh, I love that. Do it again.
Everybody all around me says these are my fights, but that don't change the fact that I want it. All I wanna do is sing a song for you so you don't have to cry.
Before we move on, I wanted to thank today's sponsor, Professional Photographers of America. Join a community of over 33,000 photographers and find equipment insurance, education, and business tools made specifically for small business owners like you. Today, I want to highlight something you may not know a lot about yet, PPA's Indemnification Trust. This coverage is designed specifically for photographers and helps you with data loss recovery services and even your legal fees if you have an unhappy client. I hope I never have to use it, but if I do, I know PPA's got my back. All I have to do is call, file a claim, and boom, help is on the way. Assistance ranges from advice on handling matters to direct intervention and offsetting certain costs or losses. One of the most experienced firms in the world when it comes to helping professional photographers is standing by to help PPA members. For a low monthly price, you receive a variety of unbeatable benefits, including $15,000 worth of equipment insurance, education, and customizable contracts. So, if you're interested, use my link in the description to get $25 off of your PPA membership, and let's get back into the video.
Ooh, I wonder if I get you to sit here, what it would look like. I might not get any of the lilacs in the shot. I still would like in like a spot of light.
That's what
And it's fine with this dress. You can just, I mean, it's up to you if you're okay sitting.
Oh, I'll sit. It's me.
Can we do no shoes?
Sorry, my bill.
Oh, that's, I can like edit it out if it's too much.
Do you like half up?
No, I think like closer to you. Yeah. Yes.
You want these just on the ground?
Yeah, actually, let's do that maybe. Yes, that's beautiful. Yes, love it. Gorgeous. What if you take just one of them, just one, and like just, you'd hold it like kind of like this. Yeah, yes, exactly. Oh my goodness, yes. That's the shot.
In danger, then don't be a stranger, 'cause I can't be complicit and miss out on the truth. All I wanna do is sing a song for you, so you don't have to cry.
And just a few more. Oh yeah, I love that. That's gorgeous. Okay, wait, like, maybe let's do one like this. Oh, yeah, that's gorgeous. I actually need to start doing more landscape pictures. Love it. Beautiful. This is like the pose. Yes, that's beautiful, Lesha. Yes, yes, just simple. And don't hold that arm too high like that. Yeah, yes.
All I wanna do is sing a song for you, so you don't have to cry no more. All I wanna do is find a melody to take the pain away.
So next we headed to a park that has a lot of lilacs. There were a lot of spots with many flowers, but they just didn't look so great. Sometimes a spot can look really good in real life, but it just doesn't translate the same on camera, especially if the lighting is just flat or unflattering. So we tried a few spots until we found the one where the lighting was interesting and I was still getting a lot of flowers in the shot. And here is where I used a ladder to get that flattering angle from above.
Oh my god, wait, that's literally gorgeous. Okay, stay like that because I want to put just a few more like lilacs in your hair because now I see it from the top. Yeah, and like I see where I need some more. I think like just like literally right here. Okay, but it, oh my goodness, oh, so beautiful.
Vertical?
Yes, very beautiful.
Still can't seem to let you go. Well, I'm on the edge of a cliff, just a call away, praying you pick up the phone just to say to me, I've been thinking about you. I still don't know. Babe, I remember.
Oh, that's gorgeous. I love, 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 love that. Okay, and let me try to do that in portrait as well, just a few shots, because they're like, so, oh yeah, the portrait works too. Yes, love it. I'm making myself laugh. Yeah, you can film just Lesha as well. Yes, I love that. Like if when you look up, yes. Oh my goodness. Wait. Literally continue doing that. Give me just a few more seconds. Yeah, because the sun is coming out now. More. Yeah, continue doing like looking. Yes.
Feel the same way. Do you feel the same way I do? 3 a.m. still awake. Do you feel the same way I've been thinking?
Finally, here's our last spot. There are no lilacs here, but the light there was absolutely beautiful.
Oh, that's gorgeous. Yeah, hold that with both of your hands, that bouquet like you just did. Yes.
We were hanging around, always looking to doubt it a little, not hearing the sound. Skies were peeping in my dreams.
Ooh, actually, if you do that, just like, yeah, you're just like twirling, but do it closer to that branch. Yes. Yeah, actually, that's perfect, Lesha, yes. 1 sec.
Channeling my inner.
Oh, that's beautiful. You know what? I want to do a full body here. Let's do no shoes. And like when you twirling, hold like hold the dress like up. Yeah, just keep going, Lesha. Yeah.
Stargaze and light in the fields. I'm feeling everything out there as it builds up in me. Eyes wide open to see.
Actually harder with these.
Yeah. Okay, let's do it without them. Yeah, just like play around with your dress. Yeah. So like that, let's do just a few portraits here, like close-up portraits. Stay like kind of like in the middle of these, yeah, like right here. Oh yeah, no, that's perfect. Stay like that. Need to go just a little bit. Oh, that's beautiful. Get just a little bit this way. Yes, and keep the hands higher somewhere because I'm doing like maybe not so much this, more like simple, or like let's do one off the shoulder again, the strap, and maybe just like kind of like holding the strap type thing. Yeah. Oh, let me just fix the lilacs. They're like just down.
Yeah, they're out.
What if you, this one just leave, actually what if you just like literally very like simple, don't even hold it, like you're just like very simple, or like hold maybe this little tie on the thingy. Yeah, that's it, yes, just like very, very simple. Yes, that's it.
If you don't believe in fairy tales, if you don't believe in fairy tales, do love, do love, do love.
So this very last shot I actually took with my film Mamiya 80mm 1.9 lens. I want to use it more this summer, but it's not easy to use, and so a lot of the time I just take only a few shots with it. Also, it flares a lot, and maybe it flared a bit too much here. It was kind of hard to edit, and I went with a bit of a different color scheme here than the other pictures I took with my modern Canon lens. But I think I should do a whole video shooting just with this Mamiya lens. What do you guys think? Would you like a video like that? Let me know. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to my channel. Huge thank you to PPA for sponsoring yet another video on my channel. Don't forget to check out the link to get that special discount for your membership. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!
If you don't